A late-night 11 fight in Florida turns into pure chaos when police step in, and it only gets worse from there.
Yeah, what's up, bitch? What's up, bitch? She attacked me! Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Get the fuck off me! Get the fuck off! No, get up!
Get back!
Yeah! Declan, stop! Get the fuck off of me! Get the fuck off of me! Get the fuck off
Listen,
of me!
keep fighting. I'm gonna take
No!
Stop.
Them bitches followed us!
Calm down. I'm gonna figure it out.
No! And then they text me too, bitch! Oh, my mama, you a bitch! Get off of me!
Stop trying to get out.
Off of me!
I'm gonna charge you. You need to relax. I'm gonna let you off. You calm down.
Yes, I'm gonna calm down, my folks are out.
Which one? Yeah, good?
The other side.
All right, Raven, you're on your knees. That's stay right there. Stay right there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now he's going to jail. Relax. Relax.
Hey, what's going on? If I can get a better story about what's going on, all right? Park over right there.
Like, why am I detained though? They followed me here.
You should calm down when we got seen.
I don't care, bro. Like, them bitches jumped on us and you want to flag, bro. This is hot, bro. Can you get me off of it?
Are you going to relax?
Yes.
What hurts? Ma'am, she was putting her nails in my eyeball. My eye is burning. I'm telling you. Put some water, something, like my eye, like, no, like, seriously.
I know. I have an ambulance coming. They're going to check it out. You're not bleeding. It just obviously looks like she used her fingernails. Who is this other chick to you?
I don't even know her.
You don't even know. So you randomly came with someone and she started fighting you?
Yeah.
They got mad because I almost hit their car.
What's going on?
Okay, this is what happened.
Okay.
We was at Gas Quick. Everybody was at Gas Quick at first.
Okay.
So I'm backing up. They behind me. But I ain't see them. As soon as I see them, I said, oh, shit. And they started beeping in front of her. She was like, so I'm like, they don't even know me.
Okay, so you were backing up and you
Yeah, I almost hit them. Oh, we just got out of the car.
Okay.
And then she was like, bitch, what you trying to do? What you trying to do? And they ran up.
So she started swinging on you first?
No, the white girl hit me.
All right, let's get in the car. Watch your head. Wait, what does she got?
Just money.
I'll put it right. Yeah, put it right.
Can I please call my boyfriend? Can I please
Hold on.
get my phone so I could call my boyfriend?
Wait until we figure everything out.
As soon as I pull up over here, they right here. She said, yeah, what's up? Punch me in my face. My sister, my little
Which
sister,
one hit you
the
first?
black one, I'm sorry, but the black little girl.
This woman is pointing towards the girl in pink shorts, who had just struck an officer and was quickly detained inside the squad car.
And that's when my little sister jumped out of the car, my little baby sister. I don't even know this girl from nowhere. We don't even know each other.
So what do you guys got?
So 52, but I don't know who the victim is because when they were just brawling, trying to separate them, it was just chaos.
Who are you here with? Are you here with your family, with your friends? You don't know? Well, I can't help you if you don't know.
She's the victim of 52. They ran Gas Quick. She was backing up, and she almost hit them. And she admitted. So she was like, she said they started beeping the horn. They're like, I'm sorry, I didn't see y'all. She comes here. They follow her, jump out of the car, say, what's up now? A black girl punches her. I'm not sure if you guys have a black girl detained.
You have a black girl?
Yeah, you got a black girl. She said a black girl jumped out the car, punched her first, and then that's what she said. She retaliated, defended herself, and then she said the other two jumped in and this one engaged in 52 with her.
Let me talk to my suspect and see what she said and get her 43 because I have no idea who she is.
You're not going to jail as of right now, okay? If I find out more information, I just want you to hang out in here until the ambulance gets here.
She was coming towards Billy?
Yeah. She did put her hands on me, so I got battery legal.
So she's going to. Let's put them in the same car so we can clear you and head over there.
Pull her out of the car. One of the other females put her in the back of your car. I mean the back of Sharon's car. Okay. And what's your name?
Desiree, this
Okay.
I hope you finish now. It's not over.
It don't have to be over, ma'am. You put your hands on my sister. It's never over after that, baby.
Hey, let me tell you something. You're going to step out of the car. You're not going to say nothing, all right?
Ma'am, go ahead, step out. All right, come this way. Turn around. Just lean in. Stay right here.
The moment you say something, you're going down to the station, all right? Step out of the car.
Right. Like a nigga put his hands on me and my friends. The ambulance is coming. They're going to come check out your eye.
Like, look at my face. I tried to stop fighting her. She hit me first. Yes, I did hit her back. We were fighting. After that, I was like, let me go. You know, let's just stop. She kept going. As you can see, when y'all came, I was trying to stop. She went to digging in my eyes. That's basically it.
She's right here. You go to the hospital and get x-rays done. Is that what you want to do?
So if I were to say that your shoes are black, would that be a truth? Would that be a lie?
Lie?
And why is that?
Because my shoes are purple.
Okay, all right. So all we're gonna do, we're just gonna talk about the truth, all right? Anything that happened, okay? Can you tell me what happened?
My sister was trying to reverse and they called her something, the P word and a B word. I think the other girl ran up on my sister right there and punched her and then...
Do you know what the girl looked like that hit your sister?
That one?
Yeah, do you know what she looked like?
She had short hair and she had pink shorts.
Short hair and pink shorts?
Yeah.
And she hit your sister first?
Yeah, I think.
Did you see anybody else fighting with your sister?
The other white girl.
Can you just do me a favor? Can you just raise your hand?
Alpha, Lima.
Is the truth, just nothing but the truth?
November 95.
Yes.
Okay, all right. You go over there, hang with your sister, so we gonna see if we can get y'all, see if we can get y'all situated right quick, so we can get y'all out of here.
I'm sorry, but can I just ask why you haven't got my side of the story?
Hold on. You have the right to remain silent. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
Yes.
Okay. So Raven, explain to me what happened.
Why are you asking me now? Like, that is not fair.
Raven, what happened?
No, bro, that is not fair. You legit been catering to them.
Raven, I'm asking you now.
They followed me from Gasquick across the street from Palm Bay High.
Okay, from Palm Bay High.
The dude at the gas station locked the door. He wouldn't let us go inside.
At the gas station?
Yes. So he wouldn't let us go inside, so we left. As my friend is backing up, they're backing up. She didn't honk the horn, she didn't nothing, they kept going.
Okay.
So then she honked the horn, and she said, learn how to drive, watch her drive. Got nothing out of it.
Okay.
From there to here is at least 10 minutes.
Okay.
So we get here, I go inside, I get a lighter. That's what we went there for, to get a lighter.
Okay.
Okay, I go get the lighter, come back, she's dancing outside of the car, and the car pulls up. So I got out of the car, and I said, why are we fighting? We're not finna fight.
Gotcha.
Then her and her friend are like putting up their fists, like, what's up? So then they just start swinging, and we start fighting, and then I'm on the ground, they're on the ground, we're fighting, and then y'all come up, whoever comes up, we were trying to separate, and then that was that. But literally, I'm defending myself. Them bitches followed us from 10 minutes.
Okay.
10 minutes.
And
dude.
that's the black car is your car?
No, that's my boyfriend's car.
The boyfriend's car, okay.
His rental.
Okay, okay.
Can I please just get my phone so I can call?
What's your phone look like? What's your phone look like?
It's plugged into the charger.
Okay, I got you. So if she's a victim, then why were they over there?
Who's the victim?
If she's a victim,
Her car was parked over there.
because when I came next to them,
Yeah, her car was, she was pulling out when we
because when we
got.
got here, they were all fighting right next to that black vehicle in the back.
Yeah, her car was right here next to it.
So who showed up who? That's what I'm trying to figure out, who's the aggressor.
They followed her here.
So they followed her here.
They followed her here.
Yeah.
Because they're alleging that they tried to run into her.
Okay.
She was like, I'm sorry, I didn't see y'all.
Gotcha.
They blew the horn, kept following her, blowing the horn. The girl with the shaved head punched her first.
So who arrived here first though?
She arrived her first.
Okay, she arrived here first, and why was their vehicle here and their vehicles over here? That's what I'm trying to get at.
What do you? It's Billy.
Billy, suspect, yes.
Her car was here. Her car
Parked in
was
here.
parked here, and she parked right here next
Okay,
to her.
okay. So then how did she get over to the other side?
I don't know.
That's what I asked her. I asked her, she told me that the other primary aggressor, that's what I'm trying.
Officers struggled to piece the story together since both sides insisted they were the victims. But after speaking to the young sister who witnessed everything, and watching Raven's aggressive behavior, the only one who refused to calm down, police believed Raven and her friend Desiree most likely started the fight. Officers then began discussing charges.
So she got battery, disorderly conduct, and resisting.
And a simple battery.
And simple battery. So she's gonna have 4 charges.
Come in the front or something.
No, that can't happen. Is this yours?
Yes, can I please?
No, you're not making any phone calls.
Please,
No.
can I please? It's not my car.
Get your foot in there or you're gonna get another charge. One step out. Go ahead and have a seat. So get your foot up. Thank you.
Job. You got a fucking bag. No, they
Very sure. Alright, Desiree, you first. Hold on 1 second. Alright, inside.
I'll answer. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's come back here.
We're actually trying to find shots heard and we're in the neighborhood.
Oh, and when this came out, did you guys find?
In America's inner cities, calls rarely end clean. Fists fly, emotions explode, and no one cares about your badge. You pull up to chaos where everyone claims to be the victim. And that's the real test, because when words fail, only your training decides if you walk away safe.